Best Books Club presents Book Summary of One of Us is Lying, written by Karen M. McManus. We'll be diving into the plot of the book and discussing key themes and characters. Let's get started. The book is set in Bayview High School, where 5 students, Bronwyn, Nate, Addie, Cooper, and Simon, find themselves in detention. The students don't have much in common, except for the fact that they've all been caught with their phones in class. However, their detention takes a dark turn when Simon suddenly collapses and dies. The authorities soon discover that Simon's death was not an accident, he was poisoned. The police begin to investigate, and the 4 remaining students are the primary suspects. As the investigation continues, secrets are revealed, and each of the 4 students becomes a possible suspect. Let's take a closer look at the main characters of the book. Bronwyn is a straight-A student who has her sights set on Yale. Nate is a known drug dealer with a rough background. Addie is the popular girl who seems to have everything, but is struggling to maintain her facade. Cooper is the star athlete who's hiding a big secret. And Simon is the creator of a gossip app that's known to ruin lives. As the investigation progresses, secrets are revealed, and the 4 suspects become increasingly suspicious of each other. Each character is hiding something, and it's unclear who's telling the truth. As the reader, you'll find yourself constantly guessing and re-guessing who the killer might be. As the book nears its end, the suspects are finally brought together for the big reveal. Without giving too much away, suffice it to say that the ending is both surprising and satisfying. As each character's motives are revealed, the reader is left with a deep sense of empathy for these flawed and complex individuals. In conclusion, One of Us is Lying is a thrilling read that's sure to keep you on the edge of your seat. It's a masterfully crafted mystery that's rich in character development and plot twists. Thank you for watching and hearing this summary. Make sure to comment, share, like and subscribe the channel Best Books Club for more book recommendations and summaries.